What do you call gym shoes? Trainers. What do you say to address a group of people? Alright. No, I'm just kidding. Normally just higher. Alright, as a joke. Number 6, what do you call the type of spider or spider-like creature that has an oval-shaped body and extremely long legs? They scare the shit out of me. I cannot stand them. I call them Jenny Longlegs. A lot of people I know call them Jenny Longlegs, but I know a lot of people as well call them Daddy Longlegs, so anyway. Number 7, what do you call your grandparents? I call them Gran and Grandpa. Number 8, what do you call the wheeled contraption which you carry groceries at the supermarket? A trolley. What do you call it when rain falls while the sun is shining? Beard.